So today we're gonna learn French alphabet. Okay, let's zoom in and yeah, alphabet. So it's kind of similar in French. L'alphabet. So L here, L and apostrophe shows that it's uh, I mean the definite article the is used. So L here is the, so it's the alphabet. Uh, Otherwise, you can just say alphabet. Okay, T is silent. Otherwise, it's the same alphabet. Okay, and also the alphabet is the same, A to Z or A to Z, but the way they are pronounced is different. Okay, so first of all, we have A. Okay, this is A, not A, but A. This is B, a little different from English. Not B, but B. C, C, D, D, E, E. It's not E, but E. F, it's similar. F. Now this is a little different. G, G. First of all, it's not J sound, but J sound, and it's not G or G, but it's G. Okay, G. This is H, H. And now this is E. So we write I. We say I, but in French it's E. Now this is J. J. Notice how this is different from this and kind of opposite. In English it's G and this is J, but here this one is J and this one is J. Okay? Ga, ga, okay? Ga, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q. Similar to Q, but it's not the exact Q. It's Q, Q. This is R, R. Not R, but R. That's why in French, when a word starts with R, we pronounce H, okay? So it's R. S, S, T, T. Not T, T. U, U. V, V. W, W. X, not X, but X. Y, Y, okay? Y, Z, Z, okay? Kind of similar, but a little bit different, especially when you go here, you know? It's J, and this is J, Also here we can see it's R, okay, and we have U, it's not U but U, and then instead of X it is X, and it's kind of completely different, not Y but it's Y, okay. Others are quite similar, okay. So this is how you read a French alphabet. Thanks for learning with me.